Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing Google Play billing errors when trying to make purchases or download paid apps, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue and restore normal functionality. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu, then tap on Payment Methods to review your current payment options linked to your Google account. Step 3. Check if your payment method is valid and up to date. Remove any expired credit cards or payment methods that may be causing the billing error. Step 4. Add a new payment method or update your existing one by tapping Add Payment Method and following the prompts to enter your credit card, debit card, or PayPal information. Step 5. Clear the Google Play Store cache by going to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store, and tapping Clear Cache. This can resolve many billing-related issues. Step 6. If the error persists, clear the Google Play Services cache as well. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Step 7. Restart your Android device completely. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches affecting Google Play billing and payment processing. Step 8. Try making your purchase again. If you still encounter billing errors, contact Google Play support through the Play Store app by going to Help and Feedback for further assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.